Very good morning, my friends. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new weekly market analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So, of course, as usual, we have to start by showing off our results from the Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, which I'm really sure is your favorite part of the video, right? Okay. So, as you can see, we had really amazing start Monday, and I think this was Tuesday. Yeah, these are the results of Monday and Tuesday. Actually were amazing and we're actually in very deep profit. However, Wednesday, this is Tuesday, then Wednesday we had these losses, unfortunately, and we had to explain to the members that what happened was not our fault, because it happened due to the unexpected news that China has closed their Houston consulate in the United States, and that has unfortunately affected all of the signals we have sent, because this news have affected mainly the USD dollar and the Japanese yen, and all of our signals were included with these two pairs. Thursday also we were struggling with the market. However, we managed to end the day in a good profit. But Friday was really great day. Friday it was stressful. However, in the end, all of the signals have reached the take profit levels. All of them. We managed to close with almost 90 pips of profit against AUD/CHF, only 4 pips of loss. We are doing, as I said, my friends, our best. We are doing the best we can do to control your funds and to reduce your losses to the maximum in case they happen. And for those who say that we manipulate the results or we are not showing the reality, then who are these people in the feedbacks? Who is this guy? I have made more than 3 times what I lost tonight. Thanks for the great work, you and Salah. Please accept my gratitude and looking forward for tomorrow's signals. So Extreme Trader signals are great. Thank you, Salah and Angela. So these guys who are sending these messages, who are they? They are the clients who really are getting benefits from our signals. They understand how these signals are working, and if you think that we are manipulating the results or we are not showing the reality of the signals, then please take a look on our Extreme Trader free group and look at these messages. They are posted right there. We have tons of them. Actually, we have literally thousands of messages over the past 3 years, and thankfully so many of them thanking us and very happy with the service. So in the end, if you wish to join Extreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact Angela. You can find her contact details in the description below this video. Contact her today and hopefully we will see you there. So right now let's move to the weekly analysis, and as usual we will begin with the Euro USD. First of all, of course, we need to understand the US dollar is still not recovering at all. We can see that it has completed a full month actually of the bullish momentum, especially this last week. The Euro USD has rose for 251 pips, and definitely is gonna continue the rise until it hit the resistance at 1.17708. Now, by reading the news and analyzing it based on fundamental analysis, sadly we can see that the US records 1,000 coronavirus deaths for the 4th day. That's definitely gonna be very bad for the currency. And until now, the United States is unable to open the business as before, or as they were expecting, especially in Florida and California and Texas. And therefore, we can expect from the US dollar to continue the fall, and hence we can expect now from the Euro USD to continue the rise again. So what we are going to do this week, we are going to again sell the dollar and buy against it. That being said, going to the 4-hour chart on the Euro USD, I believe we can start the buy right away, because actually the pair don't have any signs of any reversal at the moment, especially seeing this strong bullish candle. I don't see any chance for the pair to reverse at the moment. And if we look to the smaller time frame, this is by the way the weekly chart. Let's move to the 4-hour chart and let's look at the left to find any strong support or resistance that we might expect the pair to reverse at. So I'm just scrolling to the left, and as we can see, the pair has actually closed right here at that resistance level, and what we can see right here is the strong key support level right here, exactly right there. So we can expect for the pair to reverse for no more than 20 or 30 pips before we can start buying the pair. However, I think this is gonna be our safe zone, and instead we're going to place the buy order right away. Therefore, that is gonna be our level where we can start actually buying the Euro USD, exactly right here. So the point is we need to start the buy immediately, and we can keep the trade running in this safe zone. However, I think it's really too small. But that being said, I really don't think that the Euro USD can even fall below to that support level. However, we have to be careful. And let me go to the 1 hour chart just to be sure. Yes, I'm very convinced about what I'm doing. Yes, that is going to be our safe zone. So actually the Euro USD sorry, buy the Euro USD right now on the level 1.16562. Sorry. Okay. Buy now at 1 point. What is this? Okay, I fixed it. So this is where where we are going to start buying the Euro USD. And let me tell you where we can keep the trade running. We can keep the trade running all the way until it hit that resistance level on 1.17673. And honestly speaking, with the current situation of the US dollar, I think the pair is even gonna exceed that level of the resistance. But however, that's gonna be our take profit level, and we're going to place the buy order immediately. And that resistance level right here on 1.16201 is gonna be the edge of our safe zone. That being said, let me just set the take profit level on 1.17708, and that should provide us at least almost 120 pips of profit. Hopefully we are gonna make them all. Now for the pound USD. This is from the Euro USD, by the way. I don't know why it's happening right here. Anyway, for the pound USD, actually, if we draw a support zone right here, or sorry, a resistance zone like that, exactly, we can see that the pair on Friday night was able actually to close inside this zone. That being said, of course, that means that the pair is going to continue the rise as well, same as the Euro USD. It's very simple and there is no need to explain more. Therefore, we can start by the pound USD right away at the level 1.28007. And that zone is going to be our safe zone, of course, as well. And it's going to be lasting for almost 48 pips. Let me just draw for you the safe zone inside the zone here. And for the take profit level, my friends, I have set this previous support level right here. Remember, we are right now on the daily candles. So that previous support right here is going to be set as our take profit level. So we can expect from the pound USD to continue the rise for almost 104 pips, hopefully gonna be in profit. So the take profit is gonna be at 1.29053. Actually, as you can see, the analysis this week is very simple, because simply the dollar is falling down, and it's really easy to read the market this week, because I don't see any chance for any potential reversal on the dollar. It's gonna continue the fall definitely. Especially that it has recently made the breakout of a support on DXY level. Oh, sorry, on the DXY pair. Going to the AUD-USD. AUD-USD has also made the retest on the broken resistance level at 0.70580, and it has already made the retest. That being said, the AUD-USD is going to continue the rise. I think that was our take profit. That's the take profit level. Yes, I have already marked it, by the way. The take profit level will be set right here on the top of the resistance on 0.72005. Now, let me just show you where is going to be our safe zone. Actually, it is right here. It is right here. Let me just be sure. Yes, exactly. So this is the level where we can, actually it's the current price. This is exactly where we can start buying the AUD-USD. Sorry, my friends. So we can start buy now the AUD-USD at the level 0.71065. and that's gonna be our safe zone to keep the trade running, exactly like that. It's gonna be lasting for almost 50 pips, and I don't really think the pair is even gonna go inside this zone. And our take profit level is gonna be, as I said, on the top of the resistance, take profit at 0.72005. Very simple, very quick analysis this week, as I said, because the dollar is so easy to be read. This one here as well, the USD CAD. The USD CAD, we can see that the pair is moving in a bearish momentum, and this pin bar here, it doesn't really trick me at all. It's obvious that the dollar doesn't have the enough strength to reverse right after happening the appearance of this pin bar. So looking at the daily candle for the USD CAD, we can see that we had here a pin bar, right? But we can look at the next candle. It closed like that. That means that if this candle was full blue like that, then that's a different story. It means that the dollar has a strength to actually continue the rise to retest the broken support. However, since the candle has closed like that in the middle between the battle between the bears and the bulls, it's obviously meaning that this pin bar doesn't really mean anything, and the pair is gonna continue the fall. That being said, we're having right here the strong key support level on 1.33144. That's gonna be our take profit level, and for the sell, we're gonna sell the USD CAD right away as well. Sell now at 1.34254. Just a second. All right, that's better. And that's gonna be our let me just draw for you the safe zone. Okay, the safe zone is gonna be right at the top of that previous support level, exactly right here. So it's gonna be, actually we can set it higher, at the top of the resistance, exactly like that. Yes. So let me just draw the shape inside this safe zone. It's gonna be last for almost 55 pips. I really doubt that the pair is gonna be able to reach that level, so we are looking for almost 107 pips profit from the USD CAD. Let me just write for you the take profit level, which is gonna be 1.33144. So hopefully it's gonna be also a good signal, and we're gonna make some good profits out of it. Moving right now to the USD JPY. USD JPY is not like the other currencies. Actually, it's different because right now we are talking about the JPY, which is actually one of the reasons what's happening in the market right now. What I mean by that is the economic war about or the argument happening between United States and China. So that being said, actually I think after seeing this strong bullish candle on Wednesday or on Friday evening, it seems like the USD JPY is still gonna be able to continue the rise until it hit that previous support level right here. Let me just draw it for you. Exactly right here. That strong key support level on 106.481 is gonna be retested by the USD JPY. Definitely, that's gonna be our best level to start shorting the pair. And let me just draw for you the safe zone where we can keep the trade running maximum for that. Yes, I think yes, that's enough. There is no need to be higher than that. I think so. It's just, let me just be sure, at the top of the resistance, exactly right here. Yes. So we can look for almost 47 pips potential loss, but however I really doubt that the pair is even gonna be able to reach that level. So USD JPY should be good for the sell at the level 106.481. And as I said, my friends, this is gonna be your safe zone where you can keep the trade running, and if in case the pair is gonna fall as we expected, we can set the take profit level on the support level on 105.038, which was also a very strong key support level in the past. And definitely if the pair is gonna break out of that support level right here, it's gonna continue the fall to hit our previous support level, which is also the take profit. Now moving to the USD CHF. As you can see, the USD CHF, as I have expected in the last midweek analysis video, it has went all the way down to the support level, and it actually closed very close to the 0.91845 support level. Now that being said, what's gonna happen with the USD CHF? Let's move to the smaller time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and I believe we can expect the pair to reverse for a few pips. However, for the USD CHF is gonna be exactly the same as the other currencies. We are gonna start this short right away, and I'm gonna give the signal to sell now at 0.92075, and for the safe zone it's gonna be last at least for that previous resistance level right here. So it's gonna be, oh no, that's a lot, I think to that previous support it's enough. Yeah, 56 pips, and I really highly doubt that the pair is gonna be even able to enter that safe zone. I think it's gonna continue the fall right away at the opening on Monday. So go back to the monthly chart. I need to just mention for you the take profit level. Remember how the market is falling down. I had to go to the monthly chart just to be able to see the take profit level, which is gonna be on the support on 0.90948. Exactly like that. Go back to the daily candles, and we can see the top of the take profit level right here. It's mentioned right here. Yes, exactly, my friends. That is the support level right here, which is what I'm expecting actually from the USD CHF to continue the fall, and is gonna hit it eventually. Now moving to the gold. The gold has also rose to I mean that level has never been reached in the last 9 years. If you remember from the last midweek analysis video, I told you we will see in the news that the gold has reached the highest level since 2011, or the highest price since 2011. That is exactly what happened. Right now it's in the news and everyone is talking about it. So what's gonna happen next with the gold? Now looking at the monthly chart, we can see that the gold is still gonna continue the rise until it hit the take profit level. Look at that, I'm immediately going to it. The take profit level, which was the highest level that the gold has ever reached in its history, is gonna be 1920.48, and that's gonna be our take profit level. And now for the buy, let's move to the 1 hour chart so we can tell exactly where we can start buying the gold in the safe zone. Now, since we can see that on the level of 1897, we can see that we had this resistance, which has recently been broken out from, and already we can see that we have right here a support number 1, and we can expect from the market, since the candle has closed as a red candle, we can expect for it to fall a little bit more down to create support number 2, and then from that point we're gonna start again buying the pair. So the gold is for the buy at the level 1897.32, and the safe zone is gonna be ranging between that support level, just like that. So it's gonna be almost 74 pips. Hopefully it's not even gonna reach it like that. And for the take profit, as I mentioned, my friends, it's gonna be, we have to go to the monthly chart to see it. Take profit is gonna be 1920.48. Now, of course, as usual, I'm telling you, if something happened, if something gonna change these signals, if unexpected news appeared, if Mr. Trump have made any unexpected tweet or something, I'm gonna immediately post the midweek analysis video, even if I had to post it on Monday night. Or Monday evening, sorry. I'm gonna post the midweek analysis video right away if anything happened which might actually change the direction of these signals. But for the meantime, I believe they are accurate, and hopefully this week is also gonna be very profitable. Those who have been following me for the past 2 weeks, they know very well that the signals have almost 95% of accuracy, and almost all of them are reaching the take profit level. So in the end, I really hope it's gonna be a very profitable and good week for everyone. And in the end also, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.